Metro Atlanta.
All right, let's get straight to Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb. Chris, I know we have at least one severe thunderstorm out there right now.
It's down on the south side right now in Upson County. That's far down here to the south. I want to take you right now to the southern parts of Upson County. We're watching these showers and storms over parts of Taylor County, Crawford County, down in central Georgia, but it does include the southern parts of Upson County where we have the severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5:30. This storm is producing some hail, also 60-mile-an-hour winds, and that hail is about an inch in diameter, and that's moving over toward the west. So folks in the southern parts of Upson County, I want you to be aware of that. Elsewhere in the area, you can see some of these additional showers that we're watching as you move up toward the Lake Oconee area, near the Eatonton area. We see another heavy shower and storm moving through there. Not classified as severe, but it does have 40-mile-an-hour winds, some thunder and lightning, the potential for some small hail. A little bit earlier in Atlanta, we were watching some really strong storms that were moving through the area. Over the north part of the perimeter, we had numerous reports of hail there. That is weakening and kind of sliding over to the east a little bit more. You can see some of that heavy shower activity around Snellville, moving through parts of DeKalb County as well. So a lot to watch this afternoon with some of these scattered showers that are developing. Many of you, though, are watching right now saying, what are you talking about, rain out there? Because a lot of you are dry. Just have a few more of these additional scattered showers up through parts of Gordon County, the northern parts of Bartow County as well. Here's a live look out there right now of what we are watching. This is our tower cam that is up there at the Circle 75 Office Park at SunTrust Park. Earlier, this was showing a lot of heavy rain. We're now on a break, but you can see what that's doing to the traffic there. Plenty of traffic there on 75 and also 285. Now, it also helped to bring down our temperatures. Look at Marietta. You dropped to 70 degrees with some of the rain that came through earlier. Atlanta was at 90 earlier. Now it's 82. Duluth, 69 degrees. You can tell those areas that have actually experienced some rain. Stay with us. We'll let you know about additional rain chances as we head into the weekend. We've got more on that coming up.